Hey everyone, if you've previously paused synchronization in Syncthing and want your files to start syncing again, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to resume Syncthing sync from start to finish in 2026. First, open Syncthing and access the Syncthing web interface on the device where synchronization was paused. Once you're on the dashboard, review the current status of your folders and connected devices. Look for any folders that are marked as paused, disabled, out of sync, or waiting for synchronization. If you paused a specific folder, open the folder settings and re-enable synchronization for that folder. After the folder is enabled, Syncthing will immediately begin scanning for changes and preparing synchronization tasks. If you paused synchronization by disconnecting a device, locate the device in the dashboard and verify that the connection has been restored. If the device is disabled, re-enable it and save the updated settings. Once the device reconnects, Syncthing will compare file information and determine what changes occurred while synchronization was paused. Another common situation is when Syncthing itself was stopped. If that's the case, restart the Syncthing application or background service on the affected device. After startup, Syncthing will automatically begin scanning shared folders and reconnecting to available devices. Depending on the size of your synchronized folders, this process may take a few minutes. Next, monitor the dashboard for synchronization activity. You should see folders transitioning from paused or out-of-date states to scanning, syncing, and eventually up-to-date status. And that's how to resume Syncthing sync in 2026. By reconnecting devices, re-enabling folders, and verifying synchronization status, you can quickly restore normal file synchronization across your Syncthing network. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.